Hidden fees and crypto scams are fueling a surge in Bitcoin ATM investigations across Missouri. The Attorney General has launched a statewide probe into 5 major companies, demanding anti-fraud disclosures after reports of devastating losses. With transactions hard to trace and refunds impossible, authorities warn users to stay alert, as over $330 million was lost nationwide last year. Wyoming just launched FRNT, the first state-issued stablecoin backed one-to-one by US dollars and built on Solana, aiming to reshape public finance. The interest from FRNT's reserves goes directly to Wyoming's public schools, not token holders, and transactions are instant and cost less than a cent. This move sets a new standard for government-backed digital dollars, blending blockchain speed, transparency, and real-world impact. Imagine a U.S. state holding only Bitcoin as its official reserve asset. Florida lawmakers have revived a bill for 2026 that would let the state's CFO manage a crypto reserve, but restrict eligible assets to Bitcoin by market cap rules. If passed, Florida joins Texas and New Hampshire in pioneering state-level Bitcoin reserves, aiming for long-term portfolio diversification. Aave's $500 million market drop exposes the real struggle between DAO community control and company strategy in DeFi. The clash over revenue and governance led Aave to lose 20% in a week, as Labs pushes bold expansion plans with V4, Horizon, and mobile. This conflict highlights how unclear rules and profit sharing still challenge DeFi platforms' growth and stability. A poorly configured Multisig wallet led to a $27.3 million ETH theft, with the hacker laundering funds through Tornado Cash. The attacker deposited 300 ETH in structured batches and withdrew 1,000 ETH from Aave, complicating traceability. On-chain monitors report ongoing leveraged positions and cross-chain laundering, highlighting persistent DeFi security risks. Elon Musk's xAI just secured a massive $20 billion Series E round, backed by NVIDIA and Cisco, aiming to build the world's largest GPU clusters. The capital will accelerate Grok AI model development and X-platform expansion, even as xAI faces global regulatory scrutiny over deepfake and content moderation concerns. Major investors are betting xAI can challenge OpenAI and redefine the future of consumer and enterprise AI. A critical flaw in Flow's Cadence runtime let an attacker create $3.9 million in counterfeit tokens before validators halted the network within 6 hours. Flow patched the vulnerability, froze most fake assets, and destroyed the counterfeit tokens, with 99% of accounts unaffected. The incident highlights the importance of rapid response and robust security in blockchain networks. Blockchain tracking just revealed a massive $225 million USDT transfer by US authorities, all linked to the largest stablecoin seizure in history. The funds, tied to pig butchering scams, were moved to an anonymous address, highlighting how crypto transparency lets anyone watch, even government wallets. This transfer signals a new era in digital asset management and law enforcement. Riot platforms just sold 1,820 Bitcoin in December, marking its biggest monthly liquidation ever as mining profits hit record lows. The company mined only 460 BTC that month, meaning they sold far more than they produced, reducing reserves by over 1,300 BTC. Riot also expanded its equity program to raise up to $500 million, highlighting the pressure miners face when hash price drops. Bitcoin ETFs just snapped a 2-day inflow streak, with $243 million flowing out as BTC dropped to $92,000. Major funds like Fidelity and Grayscale led the exodus, while BlackRock's IBIT was the only ETF to see inflows, pulling in $228.66 million. Analysts say these moves reflect normal portfolio rebalancing, not panic selling. Bitwise's Chainlink ETF just got the green light to list on NYSE Arca, marking a major step for altcoin ETFs. The ETF, trading as CLNK, offers direct link exposure with zero management fees for the first 3 months and a $2.5 million seed investment. Link price jumped over 11% this week, with trading volume and institutional demand surging, while technicals point to bullish momentum and potential further gains. A rare bug in Bitcoin Core v30 can wipe out entire wallet directories during legacy wallet migration, putting user funds at risk. Developers have pulled versions 30.0 and 30.1, urging users to avoid wallet migrations until a fixed release is available. With Bitcoin Core running nearly 78% of all nodes, even a niche bug can have outsized effects on the ecosystem.